Hi everyone, I am Mohan Athanari. Welcome to Statistics Bio 7. Now we are the discussion for the topic Ecological Diversity Indices. What is the Ecological Diversity Indices? The Ecological Diversity Indices are mathematical tools used to measure the biodiversity of an ecosystem. These indices quantify the variety of species, richness, and the relative abundance of the each species evenness within a community. Rather than simply counting species, these indices provide a deeper understanding of how ecosystems are structured and how species interact within them. For example, two ecosystems must have the same number of species richness, but one must be dominated by a single species while the other has a balanced distribution. Diversity indices helps capture such difference and provide insight into the stability, resilience and health of ecosystem. So now analyzed for the data set ecological related species abundance data set. So they open the data set for the Excel sheet. So we take for the data set total 5 different site. The site name for the site A, B, C, D and E and 25 different species count for the column A. So the different species identified for the example the species 1 for identified for the species site A 12, site B 5 and site C 7, site D 9 and site E for 4 species present. So this data set analyzed for the diversity indices in RStudio software. So the open the RStudio software. Okay, the analyzed for the diversity indices in RStudio total 6 important library packages for the first installed. So the already the packages I installed. So the active for the loading library packages. So the first one for the library packages for the wagon packages. Okay, the active for the library in wagon package. So the next one for the GG plateau. Now active for the second packages in GG plateau. So the third one for the resave 2 library packages. Okay, the active packages and fourth one for the deployer. And fifth one for the R color brown. And the last one for the P heat map. Okay, the total 6 packages in the loading for the RStudio software. Next for the imported in the data set the copy paste method. The data already converted into the simple method. So the data paste to the RStudio. Okay, this data set, if you want this data set, the data set I will upload for the our website. That link also mentioned for the this video description box. So the next one for the remove the species column and set of the rows. So they enter the command for the console section the species underscore the data. Okay, the next one for the transpose of the data for the wagon, cite as for the row, converted for the row options. So enter the comment. Okay, so the next for the calculated in the diversity indices. The first one for the calculate for the species richness. So enter the command species richness. So the next one the calculate for the Shannon Weiner index. So the command for the Shannon Weiner loading. The next one for the Simpson's index. The commands loading. The next one for the Evenness. The loading the Evenness command. And the next one for the breaker pair dominance index. Okay, and the next one for the combine all into the one data frame for the 6 diversity indices. Okay, and next one for the last for the print the diversity indices. Okay, the printed for the table format in the diversity indices side A and side A, side B, the richness, Simpsons and Shannon, evenness and breaker pair. So the value for the side A the richness 23 and side B 22 and side C 24 and side D 23 and side E for the 23. So this is a data table for result table for the diversity indices in ecological dataset for the RStudio. So the next one for the plotting method in the two type of plot now created in the RStudio. First one for the bar graph, another one for the heat map method. So the first active for the melt the data of ggplot to the diversity melt. Next the created for the bar chart of diversity indices. Okay, they created in the bar chart. Click the zoom options. Okay, this is for the ecological diversity in indices, the pair site, the richness, the color and the different color for the bar chart, the Shannon, Simpson, evenness and the breaker pair, and the variables mentioned for the color in the diversity indices name. So another one created for the heat map. Matrix of the heat map in the diversity indices and created the heat map. Okay, now created the heat map. So this is for the heat map of the diversity indices. So the color, different color mentioned to the diversity indices for the richness, Shannon and breaker pair, Simpson and evenness for the y-axis column present in the different site. So if you want the total RStudio script for the ecological diversity indices, the script I will upload for our website. That link mentioned to the download link mentioned to the this video description box. And if you want this table for the diversity indices in ecological dataset and the bar chart and heat map interpretation, I will explain for the our Blogger post, and that link also mentioned to the this video description box. And if you any doubt on this video, leave me comments in the comment box. And if you use for this video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.